If your keyboard isn't working and you have it connected through a USB, what you're going to want to do is click the control panel, go to hardware and sound, and go over to the device manager. You'll get this window right here, and what we're going to want to do is click keyboards. Click on your keyboard. It depends if you have your laptop connected and you have a keyboard connected. Just click whichever one. So do the same thing to both if you have two, and just do one if you only have one. So right click on it, click properties, and go over to driver. And if it isn't working properly, click update driver. Click search automatically for updated driver software, and make sure you're connected to the internet. And this will just search online for the software and make sure it's updated. And as you can see, the best driver software for this device is already installed for mine, so it is working properly. Another way is when you first right click it, down here it says device status, and it tells you if it's working or not. And even if you think it's not working, or if it's not working sometimes, it's always good to go and check and see if it needs updated. And that's basically it. So do the same thing to both of the devices. Again, for this keyboard, I would just go to properties, and again down here, device is working properly, driver, and you can do the same thing, update it and search, and that's about it. So you might need to restart your computer after updating if it does need to update, and that's basically it. If you have a Bluetooth keyboard or keyboard, so you have like a external device that has a Bluetooth on it, or if it's built into your laptop, you can just go to the video in the description that I'll post, and that'll show you how to hook up the Bluetooth devices. So thank you guys for watching. Please look at the rest of my videos, and please subscribe.